everybody. We're going to make a cake today. Look at the cake. What ingredients do we need? 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs, 1/30 cup vegetables oil. Now let's wash our hands, everybody. Now let's turn the water off because we don't want to waste the water. Let's get the cake mix now. Let's pour it in. Now let's put the water in. Now let's put the eggs in. Now let's put the oil in. We're going to mix it now, everybody. Now we are going to pour in the bowl. Now we are ready to put in the oven. I can't wait for the cake to be done. Now it's time to eat the cake, everybody, and I want a friend to eat with me. Sign the heads up. Let's eat. That's the